Okay, so I'm gonna just draw something that I love, which is I love birds. So I'm just gonna draw like a little bird here. Coco's just waking up. It's about 6:30 or so in the morning here, and yeah, like I just woke up, and I usually do my gratitude journal at this time, and I thought, you know what, I feel like drawing and organizing my pencils. So I'm just going to draw his little wing here. I'm just going to sketch the outline of him first. A lot of you may be watching my painting classes, but I've been an artist my whole life, and you know, it's just now spending more time doing what I love. I'm just going to draw like a little tree coming up here. I always like to just sketch out like what it is that I'm doing, and then I will add in the detail afterwards. He's got this like little beak here, and his eye kind of sits in here. He's gonna have some feathers. It's amazing after, you know, when I teach these classes, these painting classes, you can see how about 10 or 15 minutes into the class, you know, everyone kind of gets a little bit quieter, because I think they're just so concentrating on things, right? And just that's why I think art's so therapeutic for people. It just takes your mind off of whatever, and you know, allows you to just be present to what you're doing. And like I said, I usually wake up and I do my gratitude journal. And today I woke up with Coco, and she was like chirping, and I said I better get up. And so I got up and decided to just do a little drawing. I'm just going to sketch in really roughly like some little leaves. I try to like not do it so perfectly. I used to be having to have it like it has to be so perfect, and now I just like just have some fun just and see what shapes you get. And this is just the like I said, this is one of my favorite pencils. I was saying before in another video, I like the HB to start with, and then I can switch to a pencil like, say like a 3B, which is like more, it's a softer lead, so you can actually like do more shading with it. So I've got my 3B here, so I can just like, you can actually do more shading with it. It blends a little bit better. You can hear Coco in the background. Yeah, Coco hears us. Maybe I'm just going to draw in the little eye here a little bit more. And if I want to use my eraser, I might just do like a little bit of a slim them down. And maybe just go into like an even softer pencil. Just kind of blend that in a little bit. So you can see how that easily blends It's a lot of a softer pencil. So I love these soft pencils. Again, we're just doing this for fun, right? So I want to shadow the bottom of my branch. So usually the bottom of my branch is going to be a little bit darker. And then I can make the middle of my branch a little bit lighter. So there, I think I might just leave them like that. Just want to show you like a little cute little bird drawing. Add some more little leaves. Again, I'm just doing this for adding some little shapes in there. It doesn't have to be perfect. Maybe I'll put some more leaves over here. I like him, he's kind of cute. I woke up this morning listening to Justin Bois and watching some of his Instagram stories. I don't know if you follow him. He's one of the most amazing artists, and I was just inspired. So this is my Monday morning. I think we're just going on about 6 a.m., 6:30. And there you have it. I'm going to just sign it. I always want to sign the bottom of my pictures and my paintings. And that's it, everyone. And I hope you have a great day. Get your pencils out. Start drawing.